Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a clicker quiz. So you open an untitled Smart File and your screen should be completely white. I just have my title on there as to what I'm going to be doing. And so at this point, see the response tab? You click on it, see how it says insert question, insert title page, create answer key. You want to choose insert title page. So it says, well, what's the title? Well, maybe this is Unit 1. And it's just a quiz, and the subject is algebra, maybe intermediate algebra. And then topic maybe is functions. All right, and then you click add, and then a title pops up. And for this title, you're allowed to put in the grade. Well, maybe this is, if it's not important, you don't even have to worry about it. And the date, I usually for date just put in approximately when this is. So this is September of 2013. That way I know later on when it is. And now at this point, you might want to press pause, try and get this to pop up so that you're doing this with me. And then when you're ready, press play. And I'm going to show you how to do different questions. Adding questions is pretty easy. You go back up to the response tab and you say insert a question. Now you can do yes, no questions, multiple choice questions, number questions, multiple answer questions, or true, false. Simple yes, no question could be something like, I don't know, if a function, no, let's say given the point 2, 3 is the x part of the coordinate 2. Then you go next, and the answer is yes. And then you can go, okay, let's insert another question. Once we got that one, if let's say I want the next one to be multiple choice, I just click on multiple choice. And maybe this one I want to say, given f of x equals x plus 4, what is f of 3? And don't worry if you don't know how to do what it is I'm doing. That's not what the video is about at all. All right, so then you click next. And they give you 5 choices. I usually knock it back down to 4. And so maybe I'm going to put in some answers. 3, 4, 3, 5, 7, and 9. And then next. And the correct answer was, oh, I just got to remember what did I say. I said x. I don't remember what I said, so I'm going to go back to the question. And the question was f of x equals x plus 4. What's f of 3? So when I plug in 3, I get out 7. So I'm going to choose C. And then I go, okay, let's try again. Well, what if I want a number answer? Okay, just click on that. So now maybe I'm going to say, what is 4 plus 9 minus 2? All right, so we all know that that's 11. So then next, and then I'm going to type in the answer 11. And I can insert another. Now you're also allowed to answer fractions or negative numbers. You can do true, false, which work exactly the same as the yes, no. You can even do multiple answers. And a multiple answer question could be, which of the following vocabulary relate to the x value? So we're going to put in domain and range, and only domain relates to the x value. We're going to put in independent variable and dependent variable. And again, only independent relates to x. We're going to go back and make this only 4 choices. Go next. We'll choose these 2. And then we're going to say, yep, we're done. And so once you've done that, your quiz is all set. You can check your answers by saying Settle Answers. And see, then they appear. And that's pretty nice. You can click Done. And then something really cool is, let's say I like this question. I want to make another one just like this one. You click on it so that it's got that little arrow by it. And then you say, hey, clone that page. Now look, it automatically renumbers. There's 1, there's 2, there's 3, and now that one's 4. And now I can actually click on it, and I could change it to be, what is f of x? What is x when f of x equals, let's say, 7. Maybe 7 would be silly, 9. And so now our answer for this one is saying, what number did you put in to get out 9? So our answer is B5. So then we're going to go up to the response. We're going to choose that Settle Answers again. And see, it keeps the answer at C because that's what we had before. And we go, nope, I want this one to be B. So you change it and you click on Done. Now sometimes if you have a big class, it's hard for students to see what it is you've got on the Smart. I've noticed that. And so sometimes I select a question, see, because the font is automatically 28, and I'll change the font to be 36. And then I just have to drag the pieces down, and it makes it much more clear for your students that can't see as well. And you can also lock them in place. You can add a coordinate plane or a picture or a graph from the internet and ask a question about that. You can actually pick questions from other sources and just copy and paste them. And then when you're done, you just go up to File, and you just do Save As. And then again, you can just go choose a file in your computer on your home folder and just type in the name and click Save. And it's all done. I'm going to save on the desktop because I'm going to delete it later. Sample. I click Save. It's all done. And now I can just reopen it and use it and give it to my classes. Good luck. Bye-bye.